Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you in an easy step-by-step how to get started using the Convertkit. Your visitors can be able to give you their email address, so you get their email address to your form. Get started using the Convertkit to collect the email address from your visitors. By the time you finish with this video, you'll be able to collect email address from your visitors. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Convertkit and register your account. If you already registered, you can log in right here. If not, you are going to sign up and you are ready to go. So let's sign up. So here it's going to ask you if you are a robot or not. So right there you want to know if you are a robot or not. So you are not a robot. It's going to confirm that, and since you are not a robot, it's going to present you with this box here. So you are going to fill in your details here. So let's fill in our details. So I'm just going to fill up my this box here. So you're going to fill in your name, email, password, and then you are ready to go, and you're going to click get started. So let me fill up mine right now. So when you fill up all this thing, then when you fill up your details here and you are ready to go, then you click get started. So here, if you are just getting started, just hit I'm just getting started. So I'm just going to continue. If not, you can say yes, I'm moving from all other tools, from another tools. So here you are going to tell them how big is your audience. So you're going to tell them it's from 1,000, it's from 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000, and vice versa. So I'm just going to choose 1 to 1,000. So let's continue. So here they want you to enter your name here, so your brand name. So I'm just gonna leave it as my here, your business name. So when you finish with it, continue. So here they want you to choose a custom domain name, so you can just put your URL or your domain, your Convertkit domain. So here, let me go with this one here. So here they want to know which type of creator are you. So if you are an artist, you can tell them. If you are an athlete, you can tell them. If you're an author, you can tell them blogger, chef, coach, designer, educator, filmmaker, influencer, journalist, maker, marketer, musiker. So I'm just gonna go with marketer and continue. So yeah, they want to know what you want to use the Convertkit for. So you are going to tell them. So if you want to grow your list, you can choose that. If you want to send email, you can choose that. If you want to earn income, you can choose that. If you are just looking around, you can just pick that. So I'm going to choose this one here. I want to grow my list. So you continue. And so now that you've signed up and you're ready to go, so you want to go here, grow. So you are going to present you with this box here. So you are going to click landing page. So you want to create landing page and forms for your website, where you can be able to collect emails from your website. So to create form for your landing page, you can go here. If you want to create if you need landing page, you can go here and create landing page for your website. So if you already have a landing page, you just create a form. So let's create a form here. So here you are going to choose the one that you like, the display format you like. So if you want, you can choose inline, you can choose model, yeah, slide, you can choose slide or sticky. So I'm just going to choose inline. So these are the templates that you can choose from. So you can choose from this template here, the one that you like. You look around and choose the one you like. So now let's say I want to choose this one here. I want to go with this one here. So let's choose Charlotte. So here is where you can customize your template. So you want to if you want to change the image, you can just click on the image and on the background image. So let's say you want to change the background image here. You just choose the edit here and click edit. So you can upload image that you like from there. If you want to change the words here, you can just highlight it and type the word that you want. So you can just change the word there and you can change the, so if you want to change this, you can type here and change the color here. So I want to change the color to another color here. You can adjust the color here. You can adjust the color also here. And it's gonna give you that color there. So if you want to change this, you can just change the color also here. If you want to change the words, you can just highlight the word. And you are ready to go. If you want to change this, you just highlight it as before and type the word, any word that you like. So here is where you can change the font. If you want the font to be bold, you can go with bold. If you want the font to be normal, you can choose normal. If you want to change, if you want to adjust the border, you can. If you want the border to be 0 or then it's the border. So if you want to add more SS code here, you can enter the SSS code that you want for the template. So when you finish, you hit save. So now your form has been saved. Now that you've edited your template, if you want to take this template to your website, how do you do that? To do that, you want to go to publish right there. So when you click on publish, this code is going to pop out. So you want to copy this code here. So if you have any landing page on your website or you can just copy it and ready to go. HTML here. If you want to share it, you can share it here. If it is WordPress, you can just use WordPress or Unbound here. So there. Copy the HTML code there. This is the code you are going to be using. And go to your website and paste it there. So let me show you how to paste it to your website. How to paste this code to your website. So now, before you begin adding the code into your website, you will need to download the plugin first. So let's download the plugin to the website, to this website. So to download the Convertkit plugin, you want to go to the plugins area right there. So you want to download new plugin. You want to click add new here. So here is where you can download plugins. So you want to type on this box here, you want to type Convertkit. So the plugin is going to pop up. So here is the plugin here. If you are using, it is your WooCommerce, if you want to be using it with your WooCommerce store, you can use this one here. So here I've already downloaded the plugin here. So I'm just gonna go back and activate it. So when you download it and go back and activate it on your website and set it up. So let's go ahead and set the Convertkit up here. So to do that, I want to go to all my plugins here. So here is Convertkit plugin. So I want to go to settings. Yeah. So right now you want to set things up. We need the API key and the API secret key. So where do we get that? We want to go back to the Convertkit website. So you want to go to the website back again to get the API code. You want to go to settings here. So you want to click settings here, and this page is gonna pop up. You want to go to down here and go click advanced setting. So advanced setting is where you're going to get the API code. So you are going to copy the code here. This is API code, my API code, and I'm going to go here and paste it in here. And I'm going to do the same to my secret code, my API secret code. Yeah. Now when you finish, you are going to hit save changes. So now you are ready to go. So you can simply go here. So if you go here now, you can just choose this form here. This is the form that we've set up already on the Convertkit website. So you can use this form now automatically all our pages. So this form is going to show up. It's going to automatically output it below all the pages here. So we are going to choose the form here. So we're going to do the same for the post also. So there's no need for you to be using the code. So it's going to output automatically below all the posts. So we're going to do the same. If you want to do the same for the product also. So that is it. When you finish, you are going to hit save changes. So now that we've saved these settings here, now let's go ahead let me show you how to do it, how to add it to your landing page. So if you go to the downside of this page here now, you are going to see the Convertkit form here. You are going to see our form down below. So here is the now in all our pages and posts. So now I also want to add this code to the top of my website. How do I do that? So let me show you how to do this. So here's how to do that. Now let's say I want the form to show up at the top here or down here. So you're just gonna go edit page. You can edit with Elementor or edit page here with WordPress. So let's edit with Elementor. So now I want to edit this page with the Elementor, and I want to add my subscription form on this page here. So you are just going to click add new section here. Because I want to add a subscription on this page here. We're just going to click add new section here. Select the section structure. How you want the section structure to look like. So I want it to look like that. So this is the section right there. So I want it to look like this. So now I want to add HTML code. So this is the HTML code. Drop it there. So when you drop the HTML code there, so you can just enter the code, paste the code in there. So now that our form has been added, so there you go. So now our visitors can be able to leave their email here and continue. So that's how you add email form to your website using the Convertkit. So if you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.